Alrighty, folks, if you watch my daily financial news, you know that I'm a little bit on an Alex Harmosi kick. I'm starting to watch his videos. I like what he's putting out there. And what I'm doing with a lot of my guests this week is I'm reading an Alex Harmosi quote and letting them react to it. Up next is Casey from Brick by Brick Wealth. How you doing, Casey?
I'm doing good. I'm ready for it. Lay it on me.
Awesome. Do you happen to know Alex Harmosi? Has some of his stuff came across your?
I 100% do. And he just released his second book, and I
Yeah,
watched the live, launch on that for
nice.
90 minutes, and I bought one of his books. I'm all in. I think he's amazing.
Awesome, awesome. Well, there we go. Here it is. A focused fool can accomplish more than a distracted genius. How
Right, a
awesome
focused
is that
what?
for how fool?
A focused fool. Okay, say it one
Fool.
more time.
A focused fool can accomplish more than a distracted genius.
Yeah,
I
it's
think of
really
that quote
true.
with real estate. I mean, how many rocket scientists and computer science and like really, really intelligent people that we bounce in that never go anywhere? But then you talk to folks that just follow what we say, do the work, they buy deals. So again, focus is the key.
I think it's
Distracted.
all about taking action. I mean, the brainiest people in the world can have the most amazing ideas, but and inventions and whatever, and innovation. But if you never do anything with it, it's pointless. It's worthless. It's nothing. I mean, what do they say? Like, you can have an average product to sell, but if you are a great marketer and you know how to sell and you know how to, you know, just bring the product to life and be animated and excited about it, you don't, you're going to make more money than the person who knows the stuff really, really well, top notch, but doesn't do anything with it and doesn't disseminate and doesn't help people and doesn't try. It's like the people that are focused, and they may be complete idiots, but they're trying freaking hard and they're getting the info and they're figuring it out and they're getting people to help them because they don't know all the answers. Those are the ones that are going to make the money. Those are the ones that are going to get the work done because they're doing what needs to be done. They're figuring it out. You don't have to be the smartest person in the world. You just have to find the smartest people to help you, at least some smart people to help you. How can you match the level of a genius if you're not the genius? Find other people who are smarter than you to be on your team to help you out.
Yeah, I go back to one of my Sunday guests, Jason Pritchard. Jason Pritchard's story was so impactful for me. I put it in my second book, 15 Conversations with Real Estate Millionaires. And he quit his W-2 job, six-figure job, sales, he burned the boat. He's like, I'm done. I'm going to go do real estate full time, which is my brain couldn't handle that, but that was right for him. And the reason it was right for him is he always only worried about the next step, right? If you're going to go try to do a flipping business or a wholesaling business and you try to figure it all out end to end, you could become a genius, if you will, but you'll never get anywhere because you're not doing anything. You're just constantly thinking and not doing. And I think the thing that made Jason so successful is he just did the next step. And if he didn't know what it was, he asked for help. He got advice. He did some things. He wasn't worried about, getting to Z in the alphabet. He wanted to get to B as in boy, starting from
Yep.
A.
Yep.
And this Alex Harmosi thing just hits me so hard because what have I been saying for 5 years? Get a buy box, focus, daily discipline, 20 minutes a day. But some people, Casey, still argue with me. Oh, I'm going to give you 5 hours on the weekend and blah, 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 blah. I'm like,
How
no,
much time will it take?
20 minutes a day, 7 days a week. If you want
Yep.
to take Sunday off, fine. 6 days a week, minimum.
Yep. That's
Just,
that's what I
yeah.
like about Alex Hormozy and why I really latch on to his teachings. And I mean, he's like just turned 31 or something. Like, it's ridiculous. And when he says when it was 2019 or something, or maybe it was 2016, I forget, 6 and 9. But he had like $1,000 in his bank account. I'm just
Yeah.
like, that was just yesterday. And now
Yeah.
you have this like almost $1 billion thing. Like, you're amazing. He'll be the next, Grant Cardone. Well, he's probably already to Grant Cardone status. And then, he's going to be freaking rich. And so what I like about him is he doesn't teach pie in the sky. He doesn't teach get rich quick tomorrow. He teaches this is freaking hard. It's a lot
Yeah.
of work. You have to be obsessed. You have to
Yeah.
make it your focus. You have to put friends and family aside. You have to not drink. You have to go to bed early. You have to do all the things. And it's like, I know, right? I know. Dang it. I sure wish there was that unicorn, get rich quick tomorrow. And it was easy, like everybody says, but damn it, he's right. He's
Yeah.
right. You have to do the work. You have to do it. But you'll
That's
get
awesome.
there, it's like the tortoise and the hare. Slow and steady wins the race. Now if you can do all the things and do it faster, and sacrifice more, you'll get there faster. He has no family, no kids. His wife's his business partner.
Yeah.
Am I willing to sacrifice that much? No. I'm also not as smart, but it's just like, it's so refreshing because he's absolutely right. If you can just be focused and you can do the work, slow and steady wins the race. You don't have to see how to get all the way through the other side of the tunnel, right? As long as you can see that there's a light, just head in that direction, one
Yeah.
step at a time up the ladder. Sometimes seeing the whole path is too overwhelming and people give up and quit right away.
Yeah.
So just
So,
like focus on one step at a time.
so you did watch the 90-minute book launch or whatever that
Yes.
he did the other day. I did not register, didn't see it. I did buy his book, and um just to kind of give back for all the things he's given us. So I did buy his book. I do have a question. I watched some kind of replays of it, like he's done some cut up since.
Mm-hmm.
What did you think he was going to do when he started announcing all these great gifts, $9.97, blah, blah, blah? Did you think he was going to charge, or did you always know in the back of your mind he's going to give it away for free? What did you think?
So knowing how he is with all his other stuff, I think he's going to give it away. But I was hoping that he was going to charge for it.
Oh, really? Okay.
Because I was hoping that he was going to charge because, and I've gone to the website and seen the free trainings and all of that, and it's okay. But when there's no fee behind it, the content's still just not as great. Like, I know why he does it, right? He does it because he wants people to create businesses so that he can buy their businesses later on. Like, that's the
Yeah.
whole point. But if he
Playing a
had
long
some
game.
sort of like more like a just like a teachable or a Kajabi course that you could log into and learn and have like a group program or something with more support and help and questions and answers and stuff versus you're
That's
just
the
learning
thing.
online.
That's the piece for me is
Yeah.
I've not gone to his site. I did just buy his book. I bought 3 of them, so I got the hat. So you'll see me wear
I
the
did too.
hat whenever it comes. Yeah, whatever. I wanted the hat. Um, I he's definitely playing the long game, right? He knows he's
Yeah.
going to be doing this for decades, and he's cool with that. But I think you did just point out the one thing that he doesn't want to do today. He doesn't want to build out infrastructure around this, because if he wanted to, he could have sold 50, 60, $100 million. But that comes
Oh
with
yeah.
uplift, teams, supporters, little minions. He is not about that life. He's very comfortable, him and his team, him and his wife, you know, looking at 100 deals a month, buying 2, whatever it is. He does not want to run, in my opinion, a teaching program with 100 Harmosiites training thousands of people and doing that's
I
just
know. It's a
not where
lot of
he's
work.
at today.
I know. I'm
So
disappointed a bit. I'm like, oh, I wanted to play some take,
take my money.
because I believe in him so much. But yeah, it's free. I've started going through it a little bit. I've gone through a couple lessons. Like, I'm going to go through it because I have a coaching program. I was looking to improve and make it better
Yeah.
and all that. But yeah, I did. I watched the whole thing. I thought it was good. I think people were floored that it
Yeah.
was free.
Yeah.
Floored.
I saw some screenshots. Apparently, somewhere during the kind of pitch, which he did on purpose, people turned on him. Were very negative. Did you watch the comments, or were you just watching him?
No. Oh no. Well, I did watch some of the comments because I had to watch it through YouTube because I tried to get
No,
into the link in the email and the first
didn't
15
work.
minutes I couldn't get in because he like broke the internet. So then I found yeah, seriously. So then I found it on YouTube live stream. So then I was watching the comments and
Yeah.
there's always trolls. There are trolls and haters everywhere. So
Yeah. Very cool. Very
gotta
cool.
ignore that.
Well, I do love this quote. Again, what really means to me, folks, is whether it's real estate investing, losing weight, learning a language, whatever your thing is, a focused fool can accomplish more than a distracted genius. it kind of hits home with me. Casey, where can people find you?
People can find me on Instagram every day at Brick by Brick Wealth.
Awesome. Thank you so much.